Johnson, Sales Engineer at Axonom. We've created this video to show how easy it is to use the Powertrak Membership Manager to grow and administer your league, union, fellowship, or other association. Once inside CRM and after opening memberships, we'll click on the new icon in the upper left-hand corner and create a new membership. To stick with a theme that we've had going for the past few videos, this membership group will be the International Systems Interconnect Group. We'll set this membership up for individual members, and the duration of each membership term cycle will be 1 year. It will cost $2,000 to join, and the renewal rate is 50% of the initial join rate at $1,000. We can associate a price list and a product with this membership record. And it's always important to include a good description. This section, called Online Registration Detail, provides a place for us to enter a custom image and also any additional HTML markup that we'd like, which will control how this membership group will appear externally on our portal website. We'll take advantage of this optional feature in this demonstration. Then after we save this record, a few additional options will be made available to us. For the moment, let's take a look at the members of this membership group. So far, we don't have any. It should be pretty obvious given that we've just created it, but we're going to soon. Though I want you to take note of the fact that you can easily add members here, or have them sign up themselves via the portal website, which is where we're going to go next, which will demonstrate how outside users wishing to join our membership group could register and pay for their membership online. It's a very powerful tool. After we enter our login information to the site, we'll then click on the link for membership registration, which will begin our scripted step-by-step experience. It begins by asking that we confirm or revise our contact information. You can see that we're acting as Andrew Jenkins today, and all of this contact information is current and correct. After clicking Next, we're asked which membership group we'd like to join. Note that this is the image that we typed a link for in the online registration details section earlier when we were setting up the membership. Also, the description and title that we see now was entered in that section as well. Another item of note here, see how the first of these memberships say Renew and the last one says Join. Based on his login, the system knows that Andrew Jenkins has already joined the other memberships, but has not yet joined the Interconnect group. We then receive a confirmation of our selection from this SQL Server report here. Next, our user is prompted to enter payment information to pay for their membership. As mentioned in earlier videos, Axonom can integrate the Powertrak membership management software to work with most third-party financial service providers to complete this functionality. And by implementing the software in this way, it keeps you free from the worries of storing and managing financial transaction data locally. Again, there are many providers to choose from to handle these transactions, whether it's PayPros or PayPal. Both are good common examples. Our user then receives a confirmation, which is often designed to be used as a receipt as well. And that's really the end of Portal for Memberships. See how easy it is for your membership constituents to join your group through Powertrak? Then back inside CRM, you'll see that the new membership for Andrew Jenkins has processed through the system and now shows up internally for us as well. Now we've finished with memberships, but every organization has committees and subcommittees, right? The Powertrak Association Management Suite employs a simple method to track your organization's committees and their members. Let's take a look at this Diversity Task Force committee. Here you can see we can name our committee and also assign a type to it. And again, the type is fully customizable to meet your organization's specific needs, but in this case, the Diversity Task Force is acting as an advisory board for the hiring teams. So we'll maintain that as the selection. There's also space here for a description of the committee. This committee has but one member. Our friend from earlier, Andrew Jenkins, is currently serving as chair, and apparently he has a bit of recruiting to do. Lucky for Andrew, I have agreed to join this committee. Now to add myself to Andrew's committee, I'll select Add New Committee Member, and a new member record screen will open. So next, I'll type my name and associate my contact information with this record. Next, I'll select Member from the Positions list, and also set my join and end date. And after saving this record, we can then see that Eric Johnson is now a member of the Diversity Task Force. And there we can see how Powertrak provides a nice, simple way to track your committees and their members, whether you have a small nonprofit that wants to better manage and track the status of members and their dues collection, or if you have a large, bustling bureaucracy to manage, the Powertrak Memberships and Committee Manager can scale to meet your needs. And by bundling online member registration and renewal through the Powertrak portal software, you have an even more powerful toolset to grow and engage your fellowship. Contact Axonom today to extend the value of Powertrak to your organization's member community.